In front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Apps section available here. Now click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Other Settings from this pop-up and hit Default Apps. Now it's time to tap on any section you want, in my case Browser. Click on an app you wanna apply as your new default one. You can pick one of the available ones or download any other you want from Play Store. In my case, Firefox is the downloaded one. And once you finished, just go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, my default app has changed. If you wanna, you can also restore your default apps by hitting Reset at the bottom and confirming your choice in the pop-up. This way, all of your changes will be reversed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!